Have you considered how a single communication misstep can destroy years of organizational reputation? In the high-stakes world of crisis management, strategic communication is your most critical defensive mechanism. Organizations face unprecedented challenges in managing complex communication crises. Inadequate crisis response strategies can lead to catastrophic reputational damage, financial losses, and long-term organizational credibility erosion. The rapidly evolving media landscape demands unprecedented communication agility and strategic preparedness. Professionals experience overwhelming pressure when navigating critical communication challenges. The psychological burden of managing high-stress situations, media interactions, and stakeholder expectations creates significant professional challenges. Successful crisis management requires a unique blend of strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, and rapid decision-making. This transformative program delivers a comprehensive solution to crisis communication challenges. Participants will master advanced crisis response techniques, develop sophisticated communication strategies, and learn to create robust crisis management frameworks. The program provides practical insights into managing complex communication scenarios across multiple platforms. Organizations will benefit from improved crisis resilience, reduced reputational risks, and more strategic communication capabilities. Participants will gain the expertise to transform communication challenges into opportunities for organizational demonstrating leadership and transparency. Do not let communication complexity undermine your organizational resilience. Take decisive action now. Enroll today and become the professional who turns crisis challenges into strategic communication victories.